there folks, I'm Saul here at Saul's Automotive. One of the most common vehicles we see here in the state of Colorado is the infamous Subaru. If you were to draw a map of the United States and put a symbol on every state for the most common car sold in that state, 49 states would be filled with pickup trucks. Only one would have a different vehicle. Colorado would be represented by the Subaru Outback, the most prevalently sold vehicle in the state. As a result, we see these vehicles for service every day. One of the most common complaints that we see with these vehicles is unfortunately head gasket repairs. Well, for the past 15 years, Subaru has made long strides in trying to prevent head gasket failures and has improved to a multi-layer steel compression gasket and elongated bolt stretching design. We still see head gasket failures, even as recent as this 2014 Subaru Outback. You'll see its engine sitting behind me on the shelf right now. We just got this one torn down and we're about to overhaul its head gasket so that we can get it back in, get it drip dry of every and all leaks, and get this owner back on the road. Most of the time, when you take your vehicle in and you get a head gasket repair on a Subaru, you might be told that this is a 3, 5, 7, or even a 10-day repair, and it costs thousands of dollars to perform. Here at Saul's Automotive, we employ Subaru technicians 7 days a week, 365 days a year, so we can get these repairs back out to you in 48 hours or less, every time. If you've got a concern about your Subaru, you're worried it might have a head gasket leak, or you've dealt with it in the past and are concerned about future service, come see us here at Saul's Automotive. We're open 7 days a week at 7939 East Arapahoe Road in Greenwood Village, Colorado. 303-919-7769. Don't forget, we put a lifetime warranty on every one of those head gaskets.